Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. I've recently updated VirtualBox to the latest version, and since then, when I start a virtual machine, existing ones or a new one, immediately after power up, I run into the error failed to load VMMR0.r0, imported symbol not found, with a result code of fail. And if you want to see this a little bit clearer, just click the Logs tab like this, and this will provide a bit more detail. The solution to this problem is actually very simple. Of course, you could just downgrade to the earlier version of VirtualBox that did not have this problem, but I prefer to stay on the latest version, and at the time of the recording of this video, that is version 7.2.4. By the way, this solution will work on any operating system, although today I am demonstrating this on Windows. You will see in a second why this doesn't matter. Just close down VirtualBox and download it again, or if you still have it somewhere in your downloads folder, just start the VirtualBox setup program. It always seems to start in the background, so just retrieve it and then click Next. And because VirtualBox is already installed, I have two options available, Repair and Remove. Click Repair and then click Repair again to indeed repair the installation of Oracle VirtualBox. Because you've recently used VirtualBox, you might or might not be met with this Files in Use dialog. You can try it a few times, but it might stay in use and you cannot continue. There are ways around this, but to keep it simple, just finish and exit the installer and reboot your machine at this point. That will only take a minute, and after the reboot, just do the same again, but this time you will be allowed to continue and VirtualBox will be repaired. Click Finish and start VirtualBox. And from there, try to start the virtual machine again. And this time, the VM will power up and start without any issues. That's it. Hope it helped. And if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!